afternoon. Today we are going to see about how the strength of the wooden specimen, which is having the strength against parallel to the grain and perpendicular to the grain, how the load is applied. Okay, so being the first batch of this, we have taken the even cube of the wooden specimen, which may be of 50 mm by 50 mm square size or 60 by 60 mm until the given loading platform. But we cannot go beyond this, to say 100 mm by 100 mm, not possible. Okay, so we are using the UTM, Universal Testing Machine. This is called as the Universal Testing Machine, which have two units. One is the hydraulic unit, in which this arm will be going up and down by means of lifting. Here you can see the lifting can be done by means of this knob. Right? It may go up and down, right? So like this. If you want to go up, so you can press the yellow button. If you want to put the down for this arm, you can go for the green button like this. Okay. Red is the switch off position. Green is starting position of this unit. So this is called as a loading unit. So you can measure the load which will be applied on the given machine by means of, you can see the graduation in the loading unit will be there. So it is in the terms of kgf, kilogram force, right? So here you can see maximum 20 tons you can do it. Similarly, you can go for next knob will be there. You can adjust it. So by using this knob, you can increase the capacity, that is to 40 tons or 40,000 kilogram force. So here definitely it will be less than, right, 20,000 kgf. So I am using only this 20,000 or 20 tons capacity, right? So now here you can see I am placing the wooden specimen, which will be measured by using the screw gauge or any scale to go for the dimension of the specimen. So I have placed, right? Now the load is applied. You can see the grains are running vertically, right? So here you can see the grains are running horizontally. I am applying the load vertically. That means we are applying the load, right, perpendicular to the grain, right? Perpendicular to the grain. Okay. It is running horizontally. So now I am placing it. Okay. Initially, these hydraulic jacks, initially I have to close these two buttons. This is anti-clockwise switch, you can close it. Similarly, initially it should be in a closed condition, right? So I am closing it. So still you can, right, lower the things, because this will be very large height, means the hydraulic jack will be lifted more than 5 mm. So it should not be lifted more than 5 mm. That is the maximum condition or the limit. Okay. So I am still, right, lowering down. So at least 2 to 3 mm or maximum 5 mm will be there. Okay. சொல்லுங்க லைட்டா கொஞ்சம் கேப் இருக்கும். Father? Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, va? Okay. Now we have to put the on the given green button. Right? After that, what you have to do? So this should be the closed condition. You open this so that the hydraulic oil will be going to lift the given, right, knob of the bottom portion of this UTM, that is a loading portion. Okay. Now you can see this, that is, so after touching it, it will be moving, right? So this indicator will be moving to the right, it is in the clockwise direction. So once the failure occurs, you stop at position, you have to put the hands. After the total up, it will suddenly go to the zero position. That is here. Okay? Huh? சொன்னேன். இதுவா ரிட்டர்ன் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா இது வரைக்கும் இருந்துருக்கு இல்லையா? மேக்ஸிமம் லோட் கேரிங் கெப்பாசிட்டி இஸ் 1 மீட்டர்ஸ் இல்லையா? இதுக்குள்ள என்னது இந்த இடத்து வரைக்கும் நோட் பண்ணி யாராவது 12,500 அவ்வளோதான் மேக்ஸிமம் லோட். ரைட்டா? அடுத்து பேட்டரி சுவிட்ச் ஆஃப் ரெட் பட்டன். என்ன அடுத்து என்ன பண்ணணும்? இதை ரெண்டையும் ஓப்பன் பண்ணிடணும். ஸ்லோவாக இருக்கணும், நான் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக பண்ணிட்டேன். ரைட்டா? ஸோ தட் இந்த ஹைட்ராலிக் ஜாக் மேலே லிஃப்ட் ஆகிருக்கு, புரிஞ்சிருக்குதா? இப்போ வந்து செட்டில் கீழே வரும். ஹைட்ராலிக் ஜாக் வந்து ப்ரெஷர் ரிலீஸ் ஆனதுனாலும் அந்த வாட்டர் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் வந்து செட்டில் ஆகும். இது வந்து மேக்ஸிமம் 5 mm மேலே வந்து லிஃப்ட் ஆகக்கூடாது கண்டிஷன். எவ்வளோ லோடு வந்தது? இங்கிருந்து 12,500 இங்கே இல்லை, இங்கே இருந்தது. அடுத்த 2 இதில் 1 டிவிஷன் வந்து போட்டிருக்குமே, இங்கே பாருங்கள். 1 division is 50 kgf போட்டிருக்குதா? 1 division is per division 50 kgf, right? So 12,500, 50, 100, 150, 250 1. So up and over 12,750, 12,000, 13,000. So you are note putting 13,000 kgf, right? So 2, 1, start. So after getting the load position where the material fails, you have noted down as 13,000 kilogram force multiplied by 9.81, you will get in terms of Newton. So that is 13,000 into 9.81, you will get in terms of Newton. Then you know the area of the given specimen, right? So it is 50 into 50, right? 2,500 square millimeter. So the compressive strength of the given wooden specimen when the load is applied perpendicular to the grain is equal to load, that is 13,000 into 9.81 divided by 2,500. You will get in Newton per square millimeter. So they will give either 5 specimen or even 2 specimen. Number of specimen is given. You have to take all the compressive strength of the load, whether parallel to the grain, perpendicular to the grain. You take the average of this, right? Average of the compressive strength, that is the mean compressive strength when the load is applied perpendicular to the grain in the case of given wooden specimen. So they will give a different specimen and different wooden specimen also, like teak wood or country wood or the sandalwood, whatever, right? But in the case of sandalwood, we will not give. The other specimens of good quality of the teak wood may be given. So you take the average value that gives the composition of the given wooden specimen in terms of when the load is applied perpendicular to the grain. Similarly, you can do the test for when the load is applied parallel to the grain. Okay, so you compare these two for the same material of the wooden specimen. So definitely, right, you will get more strength in the case of when the load is applied parallel to the grain, because each layer will act as a column, right? So in the perpendicular to the grain, it will act as a beam. So the more strength will be taken by the specimen in the case of parallel to the grain, that you can do the experiments and you can compare it. So definitely you get for the parallel to the grain. Thank you.